Hello, sir. Good evening. So today I will be asking you three questions for my exhibition project. The first question is, what is depression according to you?
First of all, thank you, Anirudh, for giving me this opportunity to be interviewed. Oh, I appreciate you guys are making lots of effort to make your exhibition great. Okay, now coming back to the question of what is depression. Depression basically means a loss of interest in life. Okay, there are lots of events must have taken place in the lives of people that ultimately lead towards no interest at all towards life. That's what we call it as depression. It leads towards decreased interest in life, sadness, unhappiness, despairing experiences. Maybe the events in the family, in the school surroundings, in the college surrounding, in the home environment, all these things are leading towards loss of interest in life, negative experiences of things, which is leading towards depression, sadness, a total loss of life. Maybe perhaps you can give an example and explain a loss of a child to a young mother. It may lead towards sadness and depression. A loss of a mother towards the young growing child, it may lead towards sadness and depression in the life of that child, young boy or a young girl. That's what we call it as depression. Totally negativity, totally no interest at all. Energy level is lost. Emotionally, there is no positivity at all. That's a situation. We describe that one as a depression. Totally depressing experiences, sad experiences, sad environment, unhappy moments where you are not getting energy to interact with people positively, where you are experiencing total loneliness. That's what we call it as depression.
Okay, sir. So, second question is, how is depression caused in the times of COVID-19?
Oh, beautiful question. But unfortunately, COVID is a really, really totally depressing experiences for all. It's a very, very long period of sadness. People are locked down. People are within the house. They have no experiences to go out to interact with the people. There is no meeting of friends, no meeting of family members, relatives. They have no places to visit places, picnic places, some are pilgrim places, maybe temples and the churches and the mosque. People are not getting opportunity to go whereby they could interact with the people. There is no social gatherings. So therefore, this is the moment of a total sadness. COVID is making us to distance ourselves from the loved ones, positive realities. So when you distance from positive realities, what is left is sadness, negativity, loneliness. I am not getting opportunity to interact with the people. Even yesterday, I got a case at maybe 12-year-old girl, 12, 11, 12-year-old girl, grade 7. And the child was trying to talk to me that she is totally pressurized. She doesn't have an experience of interacting with people. I am experiencing loneliness. All the more I am in the online learning, which is not helping me to be positively engaging myself. So therefore, that child, even every day, people are experiencing immensely, greatly this aspect of loneliness, sadness, unhappiness. And more so, they are seeing the TV, television news, all the bombardment of the news channels are talking about everyday corona cases. Yeah, day by day, there is a lots of increment in the cases. Many people are dying, loss of life, loss of properties, loss of entire things. There is no job, there is no money coming in, there is no properly food is not met with. There are so many challenges, which is making them to experience a total sadness and depressions in their life. So therefore, what I want to say is that be it a young person or an old person, be it a middle-aged man or very, very old aged persons, all of us are experiencing, be it in school, children are experiencing, teachers are experiencing, be it in the family, father and mother, children, or in the bigger environment, friends, relatives, all of us are experiencing this lonely feeling, this sad feeling. And over and above, jobless situations are prevailing. No money is coming in, no businesses are taking place. Wherever, whichever places people are working with, there is no money coming into them. Therefore, when there is no money, there is no positive way of going about life. There is no social gatherings taking place. There is no interaction taking place, and there is no play taking place. Sports is not taking place. People are not having time, not having opportunity to go around playing with. There is no, absolutely total lockdown, very very long period of lockdown situation, which is making everybody to go through depression, be it in Europe or be it in Asia, be it in America or in Africa or Australia. All of us, invariably, of whichever place that you come from, all of us are experiencing the depression totally, a sadness. Every day people are dying, thousands of people are dying every day. You see and hear newses. That is also making us to experience depression. The total lockdown, very very long period of lockdown, is making everybody to experience one or the other way sadness and depression, loss of interest, loss of enthusiasm, loss of concern, loss. There is no opportunity to meet our own people. This is what making many people to experience depression, be it young or old. Everybody is invariably experiencing this sort of sadness and depression. So COVID time is a terrible time of loss, terrible time of depression, sadness. There is no positive energy left with the people. Total negative experiences of sadness. Entire environment is sad to the maximum. Therefore, it is a terrible time of the history. Very very long time of lockdown. Almost 15 months are now gone by. Everyone is experiencing lockdown situation that is ultimately leading towards too much of depression in every household. We can say many people are experiencing depression.
Okay, sir. So my third and final question is, how do you think my product, which is a board game, should be made to help with depression?
Wow, that's a beautiful, innovative, creative action that you are doing about something like a game, something sport activity, something positive engagement. In this depressing moments, Corona COVID-19 situation, you are coming up with some creative actions, some activities, some sports events, online games, and positive way of engaging, promoting some sort of happy moments is always welcome. It's highly appreciated, highly encouraged. I would appreciate that this sort of engaging positively, it should lead to many people to participate, whereby at least certain times, at least some moments, they experience some joy, some happiness by engaging them into so-called these games, game activity, which will promote sort of a little what is that, lift to the sad souls, lift to the lift from the negative environment towards positivity, some sort of happiness, some sort of energy comes in, interest comes in. So some sort of so-called happy moments will be experienced by many people, particularly young people who get involved in this sort of engaging, positive engaging games. Is really really, I appreciate your creative actions, initiative. I think many people will encourage, many people will participate in it and will benefit out of these games. I appreciate such creative initiatives to be encouraged and to be welcoming for many people to participate, so as to remove their boredom and to get engaged positively.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir, for having me. It has been a great pleasure. Thank you, sir.